Hi Donna! Happy birthday! Stay as cute, as bubbly, as sweet, as kind, and as talented as you are. Proud kami palagi sa'yo. Alam mo naman na mahal ka namin ni Tito Eric at ni EJ. Good luck sa career mo and sana more blessings to come. And syempre, huwag kakalimutan ang guidance from the Lord, okay? So again, happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Donuts! I miss you. I love you, baby. Good luck sa career and congratulations sa lahat ng achievements mo. We will always support you and I will always be your fan. I love you, baby. I love you and Mommy Ara so much. Miss you, miss you. Bye-bye.
Afternoon. My happy birthday, my idol, Donna. Alam mo ba, nung ikaw ay maliit pa, ako ang nagtatahi ng uniform mo sa Holy. Natutuwa ako at ang pangarap mo ay natutupad mo na. Happy birthday. Good job. And enjoy your day. I'm Mel from Shanghai, China. Yay! Good luck sa career mo. Natutuwa ako. Bye-bye!
Hello Donna! Happy birthday! Gusto kong maglaan ng sandali sa iyong espesyal na araw upang ipadala sa iyo ang pinakamalaking karera. Ang pagkakaroon mo bilang isang tagahanga ay higit na mahalaga sa akin kaysa sa kayang sabihin ng mga salita. Ang iyong patuloy na suporta, mabubuting komento at paniniwala sa aking ginagawa ay nagbibigay sa akin ng malaking motibasyon upang mapatuloy. Alam kong madalas kang may mga pinagdadaanan, ngunit alamin mo sana na malaking bahagi ka ng aking paglalakbay. Sana ay mapuno ka ng walang katapusang saya, tawanan at lahat ng iyong pinapangarap. Naway ang susunod ng kabanata ng iyong buhay ay maglapit sa iyo sa iyong sarili, mga pangarap at naway palagi kang maniningning ng kasinaliwanag ng iyong pagsuporta sa iba. Tunay na dapat ka sa pinakamahusay.
Happy birthday, Donna! Wishing you all the best from Glam Essence family.
Happy birthday, Donna. Wishing you a very happy and blessed birthday. Natutuwa naman, or nakakatawa naman na natutupad mo na yung mga pangarap mo. Sana marami pang opportunities ang dumating sa'yo. Basta stay humble ka lang, wag ka magbabago. And lagi ka magpe-pray at maging mabait ka sa mga magulang mo. And wish ko sa'yo sana marami pang opportunities na dumating sa'yo. At see you soon. Sana makapagkita na ulit tayo. Tagal nating dinig banding. Happy birthday ulit, Donna. Ingat ka palagi. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Donna. Wow. You are very grown-up girl na. And before anything else, I would like to congratulate you for your career and wishing you all more birthdays to come. Donna, thank you for being such a good friend. Ikaw lang yung tanging naging faithful at loyal na naging kaibigan ko nun sa online, sa live stream. So, from then hanggang ngayon, you still remain and patuloy kang naging sweet at patuloy kang naging thoughtful sa akin. Thank you so much, Donna. Ang wish ko sa iyo is magtuloy-tuloy ang iyong career at more blessings, more projects na ipagkakaloob sa iyo. Of course, ni Lord. Continue to stay humble, continue to stay sweet, and continue to support and love your parents, especially your mom, your dad, the whole your family. And wish you all the best. And dito lang palagi si Tito Jerson mo to support you and to give you all the best sa abot ng aking makakaya. Donna, again, congratulations and of course, happy birthday sa iyo and continue na mag-flourish at maging successful pa yung career mo and more projects to come. Stay happy and always remember Tito Jerson loves you always. Again, Donna, happy birthday.
Hi, Donna. I just wanted to say happy birthday to you. I hope that everything goes well for you, and I hope that you enjoy your day and that you have a blessed day as well. And I'll be here thinking about you. I love you very much, and I'm glad that you're doing well in your life and that you're succeeding as well. Continue to achieve your achievements and continue to press forward with everything that you do. Again, happy birthday.